Imagine a car factory where the lights are off, not because of a blackout, but because there are no humans inside. Hundreds of robots working 24/7, building electric cars faster than any human workforce ever could. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now in China. And it might just decide the future of the global auto industry. But here's the real question: if China can produce millions of electric cars at lightning speed, who's actually going to buy them? And could this robotic revolution end up shaking the very foundations of the Western car market? Factories like these are known as dark factories, production plants so automated that in theory, the lights never even need to be turned on. Once famous for cheap labor, China is now racing ahead with something far more powerful: hyperautomation. Take ZEEKR, a Chinese luxury EV maker. Founded just in 2021, it already builds over 800 cars a day, production levels it took Tesla more than a decade to reach. Some tasks still need human hands, like delicate wiring or robot maintenance, but China's clear ambition is to keep pushing humans out of the equation altogether. And it's not just one company. According to the International Federation of Robotics, in 2023, half of all the industrial robots installed in the world were installed in China. That's no accident, it's part of Beijing's Made in China 2025 strategy to reduce dependence on the West, dominate EV manufacturing, and flood global markets with affordable cars. But here's where things get complicated. Western automakers like Ford and GM are scaling back EV expansion, struggling with battery costs, labor unions, and slow charging rollouts. Meanwhile, Chinese automakers supercharged by automation, state subsidies, and cheap loans are producing vehicles faster and cheaper than ever before. And yet, there's a catch. China's EV market is now so crowded that overcapacity is becoming a serious problem. With many countries restricting Chinese car imports, most of these vehicles are being sold at home. So the question isn't just how many cars China can make, but whether the rest of the world will even let them in. So will China's dark factories crush Western car makers and reshape the auto industry forever? Or could political pushback and oversupply turn this EV boom into a dangerous bubble? Stay tuned, because what happens next could decide not just who drives what car, but who drives the future of global technology itself.